So it's a good day to be outside.
Before you came back from school, it was a rainy day.
Is that why you're wet?
Yep.
Oh. And guess what? School, I got A+.
You want a puppy for doing an A+?
Yes! I want a puppy. Maybe have this stray.
Oh, hey, look.
What? Oh.
It's a dog.
How does he bark? Bark. Weird. We should name him Burpee. We should name him Burpee. Don't put my face. Okay, we should name him Burpee, right?
Yeah.
He barks when he burps. Wait. Do you know karate?
Yep.
Wait, he can talk?
Yep.
You're weird.
No karate.
Stupid fatty. Sausage. You're a sausage. Sausage. You're sausage. Sausage. Savage. Okay, dog. I mean, Burpee. You see this? This is called a trailer. Check out. This is called a trailer.
And here are my marks. Now copy my marks.
Oh, y'all guys, he has a big mark. He's too fat. Look at my mark.
Oh, you have to be wet.
But he's not wet. Hey. Okay.
This is.
Yeah, it's just well. And then this, dog.
What?
Huh? Okay. So, do karate on that
This
suitcase.
is luggage.
Do karate on that suitcase.
It's called luggage.
Sir Cow, get off of there! It's gonna fall. The cow saved you. Whoa. Wee. Okay. So, dog, Sir Cow, since you're a chef, can you give him grass to eat?
Technically, there's grass, so eat whatever you want, except for poop.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Wait, let's play fetch. I want to play fetch.
Okay, get a stick. I got a stick.
Hey.
Okay, dog, you're weird, so fetch.
Let's go.
Oh. I found another stick. Okay. Get a stick. Fetch. Check how come it's weird? Is that fetching it? That was always fetch sticks.
Oh, how about this one?
Okay. Oh. Look at the stick. Okay. Let me see. Fetch. Check how it's your turn.
Okay.
Do the same thing
Ow.
that we did. Okay, Cow. I mean, dog, you know our secret handshake?
One more time, and if you want me dead, I'll go on the street.
No.
The fetch thingy.
Look, dog. Burpee. Look, here, Burpee. Look, Burpee.
I could do karate.
Okay.
Right, someone hold this.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Right,
Wow,
I
you're
do
terrible at karate.
Oh, yeah? This will be you.
Oh, no.
You.
Oh, yeah, this will be you. Anyway, Burpee, look. Now, you want to see our secret handshake? Chef Cow?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm stuck.
Oh, you're weird. Oh, you don't know what, Chef Cow. Okay, look. This is how it works. So, Chef Cow, take your arm out. And then that, and belly bump. You try. Let me see you. Wait, you Chef Cow. You're a bad dog. Oh my god, you almost fell in the street!